Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to talk about is the equity markets and the earnings season. So right now we're getting into earnings seasons and we want to take a look at what can we expect. Well, first off, equity markets are acting very well, meaning we have the NASDAQ trading above 7,800 level. That was an important level to surpass. We have the Dow above 25,000. That's acting very well. And of course the S&P is right at that 2,800 level, struggling with it a little bit this morning, closed above it on Friday, but that's a key level. S&P, if it trades above that, the market's good to go. So as we get into earnings, naturally we want to see how the market will react to your earnings. But let's just go over a few metrics so far what we've seen from earnings. So out of the 5% of companies that have reported, 89% have beat on the earnings, have surprised, rather not beat, but have surprised to the upside. And 85% of those companies also have surprised on the revenue side. So that's very positive. So the blended growth rate for earnings for quarter 2 of 2018 is going to be 19.9%. And that's going to be the second highest since quarter 3 of 2010, which was about 34%. So it's a very good level. Now, as far as guidance going forward, out of 109 companies that guided or gave us earnings guidance going forward, 47 gave us positive guidance, which is greater than the 5-year average, which is about 30 companies, and 62 companies have given us negative guidance, and that's less than the average, which is about 78 companies per quarter. So this is all very positive going forward. Now this guidance number, it's also the second highest since 2006, and of course the highest guidance number was last quarter, quarter 1 of 2018, where 53 companies guided higher, again above that 5-year average of 30 companies. So naturally you want to see how the market reacts to these earnings, but generally the pictures, very good pictures painted forward. Leaders in terms of earnings and guidance in this market are information technology and healthcare, so I'd be looking at some of those companies. So naturally I always say let price and volume be your guide, but with the market above the aforementioned levels of NASDAQ 7,800, S&P 2,800, the Dow 25,000, with a positive earnings picture going forward, and we assume that this will come to fruition, to be seen, that I expect the market to continue higher. But as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk, RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week and watch those earnings.